Good morning. We were talking about Twitter marketing, and whenever we talks about social media marketing, any platform we are talking about, the first thing is we have to build audience. And when we were building our audience, adding our audience, increasing our followers, we have to work on targeted audience. We need to make prospective customers our followers. That is, our followers should be prospective customers. We have to work on a particular segment. The segment we are targeting, the segment we are planning to deliver product or services. So similarly, in case of Twitter as well, so we discussed about building audience, right? Then engaging audience by creating content, text, images, video, SlideShare, any sort of content we have to create, which is able to engage our audience, and that we can find out from Twitter analytics. Twitter also provide analytics services, as we have discussed in case of Facebook, right? The second thing is making audience, building audience, creating engaging content, engagements, then track and analyze what is happening, what our customers, our prospective customers, our audience are talking about, what they are liking, what they are disliking. We have to analyze all that, and accordingly we have to work again. This is the short of any social media platform you are using for marketing. Definitely, every company is using 4 to 5 social media platforms for marketing, and they have active presence there, and that we have to consider. Personal. Twitter is one of the only ways to personally interact with potential customers. Others as well in text messages. Facebook Messenger helps us in interacting personally with the customers. This type of interaction builds loyalty. Personal interaction is always preferred over the public interaction when we talk about. If suppose if you published a post today and it is quite informative advertisement, maybe any of your product or any of your scheme or any of your discount you are providing. If any customer wants to know more about that, they can contact you personally. This social media advertising is a two-way communication. The one another difference of social media ads, it provides two-way communication. Customers or users or can contact back to company, can contact to providers, and can share the advertisement, can comment on the advertisement, can like the advertisement. These all are what engagement metrics. These all are engagement metrics. How many people are liking, how many are commenting, how many are sharing or content. This is the beauty of social media. The spreading, word of mouth. We can also say it, word of mouth, electronic word of mouth. If somebody is sharing and commenting on our advertisement, and that builds loyalty, brands your business, and does more on a personal basis than nearly and any other marketing method imaginable. Personally, messaging. Free press release. When you have built up enough followers, building up enough followers, as I said, the first thing, building followers. So Twitter can act as a free press release. That is, you are posting something about your product launch. If you have 2 lakhs followers on your Twitter account, then you are you are uploading a post for a new product launch on the next Monday. That is, it is working as a press release for these 2,000 followers. And if somebody, and many of them, retweets that post, if they are your advocates, brand advocates, if they are your many of, if you were able to made around 10-20 brand advocates on Twitter among your 2 lakh followers, right? Then they can retweet. They will retweet your post and they are going to spread your post among their fellow followers as well. Among their followers as well. So the Twitter is working as a tool, a free tool for press release and all, communication, information dissemination system. Anytime you need to announce something to the public, simply make a tweet or two and suddenly everyone knows about your news and happening in India. If any government top level ministers, central government basically, or celebrities or politicians wants to say something new, they tweets once or twice and that spreads within the country. People even takes a screenshot of that tweets and they post this on their other social media platforms as well, right? So anytime you need to announce something to public, simply make a tweet or two and suddenly everyone knows about your news. If you have brand advocates in your followers, among your followers, they will retweet and they will spread the news among a large amount of users, Twitter users. You don't need to spend money on a press release, and like with a press release, you can answer any question your followers have about the news directly. So many ask about the product new launch, many may ask, and you can reply everyone personally, right? And if you think that there is a general question arising on anything, so you can even reply publicly, right? Any question raised by any of your followers may be useful for everyone. Use Twitter for marketing. That is, use Twitter to drive people to your company's website. First thing is, the first we have discussed is we can contact personally. The first thing is we can contact personally. The second thing is Twitter acts as a press release. It acts as an information dissemination system. That is, you are spreading the news among your followers. If there are your brand advocates among your followers, they will spread further, right? And the next is use Twitter to drive people to your company's website. So we can take Twitter audience to our company's website, and we can take even every social media audience to website. Tweet about interesting resources your employees have posted on your blog or website. Monitor your brand on Twitter using Twitter search tool. Any multiple search tools are available on Twitter, making of list, right? And groups. As we have Facebook groups. Similarly, in Twitter, we can make different groups list on Twitter. A similar types of audience can be grouped in different Twitter groups. We call them list, right? Suppose you are producing a long range of a product, 4-5 variant of a product. Like if we talk about Maruti Suzuki, they are producing Alto, right? And then Desire, Swift Desire. Then above that other segment is there. So these are different segments. So we can arrange our audience in different segments and can communicate accordingly many times. This will be more effective. Monitor your brand on Twitter using Twitter's search tool. You can search and track what people are saying about your company, products, competitors, or any other hot words in your industry. That can be managed using the Twitter tools. Use Twitter favorites feature as list of company testimonials. To the left of each Twitter in your Twitter stream, there is a little star. When you click the little star, that tweet gets added to your favorite tab. So we can do this as well. Favorites, right? In Twitter marketing. Use Twitter to promote events, as we are promoting events in Facebook page. So we can use Twitter as well. If any event is going on, it may be an online event or it may be a offline sales campaign, we can promote as by creating as an event in Facebook and Twitter, right? A great way to get to know your Twitter community offline. Get your Twitter community offline. So we are talking about here offline event. If you have an offline sales campaign somewhere in a park, on a particular shopping mall, outside a shopping mall, or in a campus of the shopping mall, right? So you can promote that event on Twitter as well. So your Twitter followers may present there physically for that event, and that is working. These things are working in marketing. When your company holds an event, fundraiser or open house, tweet about it. Think a hashtag for your event and tweeting about it. And we know about hashtags, quite popular among the people in the society, in this industry, and now not hashtags started with Twitter. Now they are working good on Instagram, on LinkedIn. Even people are using hashtags on Facebook as well, but they doesn't work very good on Facebook. Facebook is not meant for the hashtags. Hashtags are for Instagram, for Twitter, or for LinkedIn as well. So in Twitter, we are extensively using hashtags and mentions, right? And these hashtag is also a marketing strategy now, and you can find the people liking a particular hashtag, right? Followers of the hashtag. If you are using a particular hashtag, then you will be the follower of that hashtag. Companies and brands are creating their own hashtags, and they are using these hashtags everywhere on their post, whether it is organic or sponsored one. Getting the point? The hashtags have been branded by organizations now. Many celebrities and politicians are also using hashtags. They have their own hashtags. Getting the point? And they are using that hashtag continuously on their each post. Whenever they are posting, they are using that hashtag. That becomes their identity, their brand. And similarly, multiple hashtags are also there, right? Hashtag marketing as a topic now. How we have to use hashtags? What should be the length of a hashtag? How many characters should be there? What is the ideal character length? How many hashtags we have to use, minimum or maximum, for optimum use? So these are the questions. I think we have discussed these questions during the Instagram marketing, right? And Instagram is also, we are using hashtags on Instagram as well, right? So at Twitter, started with Twitter. Twitter's rolling out new user profile pages on the web, showing your best tweets, larger images, and more. And we are using images and videos for marketing now on Twitter. Videos are very common on Twitter and Facebook, both platforms, right? Even in Twitter, videos, small videos and images. And Twitter now supports emoji characters. for making your post more interesting. Emojis, emotional expressions. Emotional expressions with text. We are using emojis on WhatsApp as well because of showing, expressing our emotions. For expressing our emotions. So we all know Twitter, we have application, Twitter app for Android or iOS as well. So we are using Twitter on our smartphones. We are receiving updates, notifications, what our friends and followers have uploaded on the Twitter, new tweets. Twitter's new mobile advertising suite lets companies pitch their mobile apps in promoted tweet or place ads inside other apps. The suite combines Twitter cards, a feature that automatically adds Google Play and App Store links to tweets, and promoted tweets, sponsored tweets that appear in people's timeline. Right, Twitter app is also we are using for marketing, for app installs for the companies. Right, so thank you very much. Thanks for the day. This is about Twitter marketing. Thank you.